There are many ways that you can make money in El Paso, Texas border roleplay in Roblox. And I am going to cover which ones make the most money. Now, you can have a perfectly legal job, delivering boxes, or cleaning floors. But you can also smuggle fake merchandise through the Mexican border into America to your inside man who, for some reason, is at the gym. Or you can go next to the auctions and sell your goods there. Now, that intro didn't really cover every single job, so I'm gonna list a few jobs here. First one is delivering boxes to the warehouse. It's an easy job, but only pays $55. Next one, you work at A&E, a restaurant in America, and you clean the floors, $55, same paying as the warehouse. Or there's other jobs too, other things that you can do. You can go to the black market, buy some fake watches, some fake designer bags, maybe some drinks, some tacos possibly, and then you can also rob the bank, do that. You can also be a police officer, and the free jobs is state trooper, border patrol, and HSI. The other ones are like military or something, but you need a game pass for those. So unless you want to buy a game pass, you can get a game pass and have those jobs too. And you can also rank up by arresting people or killing people and getting XP from that. So this is a lot of material, so this is just gonna be a time lapse of me doing every job here and there. So right now I'm doing the job at A&E, and I just finished the job delivering boxes to the warehouse. Okay, so right now I'm on my way back to Mexico to buy some fake merchandise to sneak through the border to my inside man who's at the gym. So you can buy 3 watches, 3 designer bags, and 4 bottles, I believe, is how many you can buy of everything. And so if you don't have enough money, you can just buy whatever. But if you want to make $7,500 every run, then you need to buy that many watches and bags and bottles, because you don't ever really need to buy tacos or Bloxy Colas unless you are very, very broke like I was in this video after spending all my money on this car that I'm driving right now. Also, you do not have to go through the border. You can also go through a tunnel, but it does cost $1,500 to go through. So there is a risk that you will get checked like when you're at the border. So that's a risk that you're willing to take if you go to the border and you save $1,500. Alright, and if they give you a green check mark like they just gave to me, you can go right through and you're authorized to go through. But if they give you a magnifying glass with a question mark, that is for secondary inspection. So you would have to pull over there. They'd scan you for any illegal items. So I got a little bit lucky here. I did get a secondary inspection later on. So stay tuned to see how I got out of that without even having to get inspected. I definitely would have gotten arrested if I went into the scanner. So stay tuned for that. Alright, when you get to America, you're going to want to come over to either this gym, which is called Gym Bro, but I didn't right here because that guy was shooting at me. Sometimes it's risky, but right over here, right down this road, right next to the auctions, is a place where you can sell your goods. It has a little circle above it. You can see right there. So all you do is get out of your car, run up to the little stand there, and sell your goods. And as you can see, I got $1,640 in dirty cash, which means that you have to go back to spawn, go to the black market, and wash your cash in the washers. As I was telling this guy here, he did not know how to wash it, so I gave him a ride back to spawn and showed him where the washers are. So I'm gonna put that in time lapse real quick. Alright, so right here you just pull up the black market and you'll see some washers here, and you just walk up to it, press the button, and there you go, you get your money. And then you can repeat that process many times. I think I could buy a couple watches here, or 2 watches. So repeat this process many times, and check the bank every time you go in. Make sure that either it's not robbed or it is being robbed, because if it's being robbed, that's free money. And if you want to rob it, all you have to do is buy some C4, go to the bank, hurry up, place the C4. The cops will get a notification when the C4 goes off and blows the bank open. But all you gotta do is hurry up and grab the money. It maybe takes about a minute to get as much money as you need, and so then you just run out, get in your car and leave. And once you get past the border here, you're safe, because police officers can't go into Mexico. Alright, so right here, I went and sold my goods, and I had $2,500 from that, and I went to go see if the bank was robbed or not yet. It was not. So I was waiting around till I could rob it again, but then I realized I had to go back and get some C4. So cops were chasing me, so I just left them in the dust, and yeah, I went back and cleaned my money, and got some C4 ready to blow up the bank. So right here was where these guys gave me an inspection mark, and I tricked them. So better watch this part. This is pretty funny. Alright, so see, this guy gave me an inspection mark, and then this other guy came up, he was like, "No, I'm not approving you. You gotta go to inspection." And I was like, "Sir, I'm just gonna go get a job delivering boxes." And he told me, if I'm clean, then I'll be able to pass. I'm like, "Okay, fine. Just Alright, so I hopped back in my car, and right here they let me through, and I went in the other lane to see if any authorized people were going in that lane, if I could sneak through there, because I saw that guy in the yellow car. I thought he was authorized, but he wasn't. So by the way, that's my little brother in the police car behind me, hitting me. So then they're like, "Nope, wrong lane." Okay. So I pull over here to the inspection area. I'm like taking my good old time, because I know that they'll arrest me if I refuse. So, or if they catch me. So, I'm backing up slowly. I'm like, you guys gotta arrest him. He's got an exclamation mark above his head. They're like, oh yeah, we'll put him in a second. And so that guy handles the guy in the yellow car, and I slowly back up. I'm like, oh wait, I just got an excuse. I gotta go eat for a second. I'll be back in like 2 minutes, right? But then meanwhile, my little brother's sitting right back behind me, so I'm telling him to get ready to go through a gate so that way I can come right behind him and the gate will open for me and like I don't have to be authorized. So he's like, all right. I'm telling my little brother, you gotta hurry up and do this. You gotta hurry up and do this. This is gonna be so funny. And so he's in the police car. He starts going the wrong way, and he's like, which way? So see, he's trying to go through the other gate. I'm like, no, not that one. Not that one. No. Back up. Yep. Okay. Now take a right. Okay, keep going. See, right down there. Go to the left, alright? He's like, which way? To the left. Okay, I'll go to the left. So he's like, I don't know, he was like glitching out or something. He was like, I can't move. This is gonna go so bad. And then he finally got it back. I'm like, yep, okay, now go left. Just go up there and go left. He's like, okay, I'll go. Alright, so then as soon as he gets there, I just gun it. And follow him. I'm like, go. And he goes straight through, but then he stops. I'm like, what are you doing? He's like, I wanted to make sure it wouldn't close. And luckily it closed just right behind me. And so I didn't have to, if I was caught that time, I wouldn't have any money to buy anything. So I'd have to go back and do a job. So thanks to my little brother. Shout out to him for helping me out there. But anyways, I sold my money. Or I didn't sell. I sold my stuff and got my money. Went back and watched it. So, you know what? Let's do a time lapse because I just circled the bank again, waiting for it to open. So right here, I lost all the cops eventually, and I went over by the tunnel exit, and I switched out my car for a white car, so they might not know which one I was. Also, I robbed the bank, forgot to click the record button though, so you're just gonna have to trust me. But half my health was gone because the police officer was outside trying to shoot me. So I had an exclamation mark above my head, and I was trying to get through here. I was like, oh crap, I don't want to take any longer than I have to. And so I was like, come on, I'm almost safe. And my little brother starts following me. And then I'm like, all right, finally, I'm safe. I get through the Mexican border, and I go and clean my money. So you'll have to see how much money I get, because I made a pretty good bit from robbing that bank. Alright, so right here I hopped out, washed my money, and I got $7,860. I made a lot of money from robbing the bank, still had some C4, so I'm taking the C4 to the wall real quick. Just gonna show you how you can get through the wall with some C4. So I'll speed this up a little bit so it doesn't take forever. So right here, a guy just blew up the gate and went through, but I didn't go through yet because I I wanted to show you guys how it works. So all you have to do is place your car right in front of it, hop out with your C4, put it on the gate, hop back in your car and get ready to drive through, and then all you gotta do, wait for it to explode and drive through. Now, you will get an exclamation mark over your head, so you gotta be careful of cops when you are in America. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as it will help me grow my YouTube channel as a small content creator. See ya.